Welcome! With this video, we want to introduce you to the new Flixier Brand Kit feature. This lets you save your brand's colors and fonts and makes them easily accessible when editing your videos. You can access this by visiting the Brand Kit tab on the dashboard. The big plus button lets you add new colors. You can click on a color to customize it, or hover over it and click the trash bin icon to delete it. To add a font to your brand kit, just search for it in the drop-down list or upload one from your own computer by clicking the Add Custom Font button. Now that you've picked your brand's colors and fonts, you can open up a project and type in some text. You'll notice your brand's fonts will appear at the top of the list and your brand colors will show up in the color picker. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like this and stay up to date on the latest Flixier features, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.